Hey everybody, Nikki O Knows here, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the top YouTube channels and how they consistently produce high quality content. And I just want to talk to you guys about two things that have really helped my channel really grow over the past 89 days. So you guys, just when you're producing your shorts or your longs, you want to make sure that your content, you guys, is engaging. Engaging content, you guys, is really good for just consistently entertaining and really building a reliable and consistent subscriber base. So make sure you guys, you want to build videos that are going to really resonate with your viewers, so that way you can keep them coming back for more. Okay. My number 2 on my list is just strong community engagement. You guys probably watched my videos before, but I really talk about successful channels and how they are constantly actively engaging with their audience. So whether you're responding to a heart or a thumbs up or a comment, just engage with your viewers. Never leave a comment, you guys, unattended, because that is one way to have your viewers go to another page. So make sure that you have high quality interactions with your subscribers, as well as really fostering a loyal community that supports your channel, you guys, so that way they can come back for more, but also be part of your successful YouTube growth. So those are my main 2, you guys, that I really want to talk to you guys about today. Just making sure that you're really consistently producing high quality content, making sure that you guys have engaging content, and making sure that you guys have strong community engagement. That is very important to grow your YouTube channel. Just some tips and tricks from Nikki O Knows. Thanks again for checking in on my channel, you guys. I appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button so you could just help a little educator out. I really appreciate you guys helping the channel. Take care.